Hello viewers, welcome again to the MOOC course on Internet of Things, Design Concepts and Use Cases. In this video, we will learn how to interface the soil moisture sensor with Arduino. So, let us see that what is soil moisture sensor. By name only you can understand it will collect some data from the soil. So, this is the soil moisture sensor. It has two pins as shown in the diagram, that is the sensor plus and sensor minus. So, these are the two pins, one is your sensor plus, another is your sensor minus. So, these are connected to the sensor plus is connected to the sensor minus of the reader module. Now, this is the reader module of the soil sensor. So, the reader module is used to take the data from the sensor and to output the data to the Arduino. Now, this sensor plus is connected to sensor minus and sensor minus is connected to the sensor plus. Accordingly, we have connected, and after that the output of this reader module is connected to the input of this Arduino board. So, in the reader module, as you can see, there are four options are there. One is your VCC, another is your ground, third one is your either digital out you can connect or analog out you can connect. So, here we have connected the VCC, that is your orange color, that is your VCC, and it has been connected to the 5 volt of the Arduino. This is your Arduino board. Next is your ground. So, we have connected the second one to the ground terminal of the Arduino. Third one that we have connected, this is your third, that is connected we have taken as an analog out, and this has been connected to the A0, as we have already told ki there are 6 analog inputs are there, A0 to A5. So, this time we have connected to A0, and similarly in the programming also we will show you that how to write or how to define the sensor pin as A0. So, this is the connectivity of soil moisture sensor. With the help of this reader module we have connected to Arduino. So, now let us go to the software, that is Arduino IDE, and we will see that how the software will work. So, this is your actually Arduino IDE. So, here we have to write the programming. Now, let me just explain that what we have done. So, first statement it is saying that sensor pin is equal to A0. As I have told you that we have connected the analog output to the A0 of the Arduino. So, that is why we have taken that sensor pin is equal to A0, we have set, right. Another variable we have display, that is sensor value, we have taken as a variable, and it is an integer type of variable. Now, let us go to the setup function. What we have done in setup function, this sensor pin, that is your A0, is we are taking as your input, and we have given again serial dot begin at 9600 baud rate, that you know already that why we give this baud rate and why we have give this initialization of the serial monitor. Next is your void loop function, and in the loop function what we have done, first of all we have read, that is analog read function we have used, and we have read the sensor pin value, right. Whatever value is coming to the sensor pin, that we are taking to the value of this sensor value. That means, whatever value is coming to A0, from A0 it is going to the screen, right, serial monitor. So, we will give the sensor value, we are taking that sensor value equal to the analog read and then sensor pin. Next, our turn is to print that value. So, what we are doing, serial dot print, that is your text or label, that is moisture sensor value, and after that we have print in the new line print ln it is the new line printing that we are giving that sensor value, that means whatever value it is coming, that value it will show. Next we have given a simple decision statement that if that sensor value is less than 300, that means it is very dry, then we can write that I am thirsty, please give me water. Any statement you can give, any application you can run, any statements you can execute, right. Else if the sensor value is greater than 300 and sensor value is less than 700, then it will give that I feel so comfortable. And after that, if sensor value is greater than 700, that means we have added some water into that, and it will print that too much water I might get hot, right, and after that delay again it will repeat. Now we will see that in this glass we have taken some wet mud or the soil here, that is actually we have added some water, right. Now what we will do, we will just add this sensor is here and we will connect a laptop. As you already know, we have shown, and you can just see that sensor is on, reader is on, LED is running in that. So, we will first we will verify, and it is giving that compiling sketch, then after compiling it will give, if there is no error it will give done compiling, after that we will upload, right. So, it is giving that done compiling, and next let us see that in tools everything is right, or is it whether it has been adjusted or not. It is giving that Arduino Uno is the board and COM8 is been connected. Now, we will see that upload, right. So, after uploading if there is no error it will give done uploading. After that we will see in the serial monitor that what data can be it is giving, the sensor is giving. Now, it is uploading and it has been showing that done uploading. Now, let us go to the serial monitor and we can just see that what is the output it is showing. So, it will show the output that about the the moisture content of the soil. So, it is giving that moisture sensor value is 893 because I have added some water into it. So, it is giving that too much water, and you can just check it that if you keep it the dry soil, then what value it is giving and what type of statement it is giving, right. So, this is your actually we have shown into the serial monitor. As we have told you in earlier practical work that you can show all these values in the LCD monitor also, and I have already shown you that how to write programming in LCD monitor. So, that way you can use the LCD and you can view all this data into the LCD also. So, this is a very small experiment I have shown that how to use the soil sensor to take the moisture content in the soil. And thank you so much. I hope that you will practice with the help of this soil sensor. You can practice on your own, and if you have any doubt then you can again go through the video, and I am sure that you will be able to complete it. Thank you so much.